inanya here. A full picture here. Afa onye anu abo Akidi. Obo ne ga on social media phone a video and the pictures of Akidi na a trend. The man will a whole lot of things. Na Anambra security bullying allegedly. But Oboro, what happened? Before we go to what happened, actually may say, may the soul of our brother rest in peace. Man, another thing in Chikubuna, if I need a man or one or if I would no one. Now, before I tell you what happened, actually, we go no matter, none accused, no how blue. This our brother, both professionals, anti-tout, in the sasa. If I go set of professionals, where different styles and strategy on how they work, they are not just ordinary people in the anti-tout. Now, this Akidi not here. Ebe hanano na mbabwaka bo bunk. Eba he had the place bo drugs, all kinds of drugs. So, mgbe anti-tout intelligence discover na some criminals they take off from that place. They were put to spy to know what is going on there. I want you to follow me. They were put to spy one of their officers to know what is going on in that camp, in that bunk. So, Emana, only general undercover investigation, you know there, you have to smoke with them, you have to also buy from them. Where the intelligent officer lieutenant at the bunk, the maintain Ocho are there. Owetel, Agwana tell the Ifenabia, as in that the drug, not the way. Immediately, Ebubata, Ifocho, the intelligent officer, wherefore, is there on the backup team, Ewane Butego, the drug. This guy, Anabakiri, will raise the arm. Raise the arm. Now this guy in the Meko. However, Russia the guy. Copa the guy here. But Eji court Igbo. However, the guy was also. And the Malamana, the guy may go call. Other officers knows it on their way to the bunk. Even one and drugs. If a message the intelligent officer will also this Akidi will follow him where my man. The guy went now Akidi man. Now self-defense where my Akidi. Or now or whether anything like gun wound and actual other private investigators, the police or anybody that can't investigate. Kaganene Kakidi and we're gun wound. Or and in the Sasa entered out and and the Nako Akidi or when he had the gun wound. Eji Kotibo Ama the officer. Now self-defense officer when Alma well man Akidi does it. On the process, they just you rescue the officer lieutenant. Others none at the bunk. Also, a way blue if any enough for them, including their drugs, motorcycle, and other items I may not mention. Now, how was there Akidi there? Because of how dangerous that place can be. How what will happen? But to me, also we got the operation. How we see Bulgudu Akidi, Bujabi hospital, but you will not blame them because that place the too dangerous. And we can have to rescue Akidi, and we can mad at them and bomb in the airway. On a card when again, Habulu, the officer, Hapozia Akidi. Can I tell you to find now? The officer, now hospital bed. Can you see? If I bone another video of officer Obaraduli so Mangosie Manehabo Gent don't legal on it.
Yeah, put your more about the operation now. Bubble. Even bubble. What somebody why I see again. All of our personnel here. I bring the Russia to hospital. Send Russia to hospital.
Nka both drugs. Ebukotana the place.
Colos. Ghana loud. Nah, Ghana loud. Look on that. Ghana loud. Nkabo eyes. Nkabo eyes. Mbrumbiri. Nka Colos. Nkano abo Ghana Colos. Okanka. Nkano abo Nigeria Colos. Nkabo Ghana Colos. Ghana Colos. Nkabo Scottish. Abeya. Then he know about scale, age measure, drug, eyes, Charlie, and anything that has to do with drug. Onka age measure. Then on can about normal Nigeria weed. No, this was still loud but unveiled. And the can now, but Canadian loud. Oh yeah, Canadian loud. Why here no know about the cellophane, the cellophane, and the uncountable restaurants with Canadian weed. These are the SB recovered from them, sir.
Okay. So, if I bore what happened, and I want to beg our people. Now, this social media era. People should be very careful. Don't report if you don't know the real story. Anambra state government tolerate extrajudicial killing. Anambra state government tolerate any abuse of all kinds. Anambra state government tolerate police or any security abuse. Even in Anambra state. You will pay dearly for doing that. So that's just the truth. If I be familiar, so I pray that others will learn from this story. Obulifo, undercover security officer, a talk email attack. If you do that, you will pay with your life. That's just the truth. So, the post. People, agitators. Hey, people go now get one another this, now get one another instance. People should be careful. People should be careful. The government of Anambra State is doing everything they can to fix this state. And we will do it no matter what it will cost us. I repeat, the Anambra State government is doing everything we can to fix this Anambra State. No matter what it will cost us.